sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm filming a playlist video. I'm just gonna call this like my current favorites or something like that because September just started. Today is currently the 3rd, but this won't go up for probably about a week. So, you know, it's not really gonna be like a August music favorites or anything. Plus a bunch of these I just added to my playlist. So it's just like a bops type of video. I lighted some candles to add some like fall-esque to it. I also have gum. I hope y'all don't think that's rude. And also excuse this. It's like a scab from acne and it won't go away, but I wasn't gonna cover up with makeup. Literally I have mascara on, that's it. So but yeah, one last thing is if you want a tutorial on how I do this hair, let me know. I will be down to do that. I know a few people have asked me about doing a hair video, but I just want to make sure all of y'all want that. But without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I love you all so much, and let's get into the bops.
You keep me in your orbit. Well, I know I'm a hard one to please. Give it too much importance. My love will have you better off without it. Better off being a wild one.
Number one girl who got the top spot title. Spent the hour in the bathroom, walked out looking like a model. God, doing what you do, got me right there with a
And I'll never let you go. Yes, I know I'm never gonna change. I'm always gonna stay. You cover me right there. I'm working on fire.
I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way. What you expect?
Play a contract, I'll pick you up, cruise you round in the hard time. You don't let shit slide, you ain't the soft type. And your face kinda
'Cause I really wanna be with you. Stop it, telling me I should leave you alone. Don't between us two. 'Cause I really wanna be with you.
Sleeping 3 days. Can't waste my time, I get that money cause I need it. Got all these hoes in here bleeding, yeah, the G-way. I bet you ain't never met a nigga cut like me, yeah. We be them niggas, we ain't worried about nobody. Shine in the city with the sun, no sun. And every day you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna be tonight. Hit back. You full of vibes, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. Wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take on vibrate. I wish you were on it. There's a road you gotta take to get to my place. Faded double yellow lines on a 2-lane. I wish you were on it. Kiss me like you never kissed me before. And girl, I swear that's all that it would take. And you know the way. I wish you were on it. I know, boom. Sugar thing, what it do? Tryna see if you wanna come through. Oh, rose rendezvous. Rose rendezvous.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know it's on your brain. You get high and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you. Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. A lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. Why you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of
Elevate, elevate. Only obligation is to tell it straight. If you need me, you can call me. I'll stay busy.
doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. You talking about is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. I went and lost my mind and I ain't been here long, but the boppers in the pond going up, down, up, down, up, down. Tonight we're gonna raise a whole lot down, up, down. We're just holding it down here in BFE, still rolling around with a bar CD. Free bird, 5 minutes deep. Might say what's on your mind, but babe, I'ma be the one that's there for you when you ain't got nobody. Swear to God, won't you say what's on your mind? But baby, you know that I'ma be the one that keep it real with you when everybody fake as fuck. When you thinking about us on a Friday night, are we black top burning, spinning the tires? Are we slow dancing? How does it sound if we do something crazy? This the crowd get all on, maybe make some noise. Maybe I am better now, better now. I only say that 'cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, oh, oh. I did not believe that it would end. No, raining outside, we sat by the water and talked about life. I got you on my mind, baby. I got you on my mind.
Yeah. When I stroke for my lady, I'm up in the yard. Big bust down chain, I don't fuck with no whore. My girlfriend 10 times better than yours. Brand new white tee, I'm fresh out the gym. Yeah, about to get on my girlfriend 10 times better than yours. My girlfriend 10 times better than yours. Yeah, yeah, in the shit to the end, though. Rolling hot, can't take a pull, got 3G packs in that Benz.
Chat money, this shit got me in my feelings. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
I blow my mind, get so gone sometimes. Come on strong, hit it, fuck it.
Are you waiting? They said build your own, I said halfway. I said
Okay, so this is gonna be the very last song. I know this is a really long video and I apologize. And I also know that I don't know a lot of the lyrics to a lot of these songs because these are a lot of new songs to me, but I just wanted you guys to hear them. And if you made it this far, comment the little emoji with the cowgirl hat on it. Comment that emoji down below in the comments if you made it this far. And if 5 people made it this far, I will make a part 2 to this video, but it'll be more like a certain playlist, so like either my throwbacks or my country or my pop and my rap or my Christmas playlist. That will be coming out in the next probably in 3 months from now. I just ordered a bunch of Christmas movies to make me feel better about myself, so but yeah. This is the last song. I hope you've made it this far, and if you have, comment that emoji, and let's get into the very last song, which is, this song is amazing. And I also quickly wanted to say that Ariana Grande's new album is on point. Love it. She's my woman. Only like one of her newer songs played in this video, but I have like 4 or 5 of my other favorites, like Good Night and Go, Get Better Soon. There's so many good ones. But
The question is, Shawty, am I always right now? Even when we passion in, Shawty, I'm yours, you're mine now. This is the nigga. Oh girl, this thing is on fire. Your love be taking me higher. Look at the song you inspired. You ain't got a question is, Shawty, am I always right now? Even when we passion in, Shawty, I'm yours, you're mine now. This is
okay, my babies, I hope you enjoyed this freaking long video. This makes up for me not uploading very much lately. One, I haven't had the motivation to film And like, I just haven't had much time because I have practice for 3 hours a day for cheer. I have school and homework, and I have to spend time with people. And I don't know, it's nice to have some alone time every once in a while, so like not having to worry about filming and editing and stuff is really nice. But on that note, I really hope y'all enjoyed this super freaking long video. Like I said, if you want a part 2, comment which playlist you want. It won't be my favorites. It'll be like a throwbacks or something else. Comment that down below. If you made it this far, comment the cowgirl emoji. And that is all I have to say. I love you all so, so, so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see my little cute babies next time. Bye, guys.
Say,